So I've already sent the bike for the repair, and now we are not even having the car. Good evening folks, welcome back to my channel. It's a pretty bright Wednesday afternoon, I must say, and today we are going not into the jungle. We would be heading straight to the Royal Enfield showroom, and we will be taking an update on the repair job which is being carried out at the Royal Enfield showroom. Last time we were not really very happy with the condition or the way the bike was being handled at the showroom, so we had already complained regarding the matter to the showroom owner, and he assured that from there on they will be taking a very good care of our bike. So we'll be taking an update on that matter, and we'll also be seeing if the tank has arrived, or for that matter if there is any further delay which we have to wait for. So let's go without wasting much time.
Yeah, you turn the page and you see a new day. Yeah.
Now I'm not really very hopeful this time also, as there are two aspects to it. Actually there was a Diwali holiday, so I don't really expect a lot of people at the manufacturing plant of Royal Enfield, or for that matter the showroom itself, to be present and thereby delivering in time. And also the second thing is, like, the Continental GT is a pretty rare model compared to other bikes obviously, and that's why procuring parts sometimes takes its own sweet long time, and you can expect somewhere around 20 days to a month, or sometimes even maybe more than that. So that happens, and it's better to be prepared for that. So that's the showroom. Let's find if we could meet somebody over here. Let's get inside and talk to the store supervisor, because we can actually get the exact idea of the situation from him only. Sadly, the petrol tank has still not arrived, and as we have already discussed, the Diwali holidays and the rarity of Continental GT is to be blamed. And also, I guess there is certain problem with the inventory management system at Royal Enfield. What happens is, like, if you have placed an order and if it has been put into the pending list, what happens is, like, in case if you really need it urgently, you have to put a request again in their VOR system, as I was being informed by the showroom guys. And in case if you place the order over there and not really cancel the previous order, you get the 2 petrol tanks. And considering the bike to be a rare model, it would be kind of a surplus thing, which, being fragile, is a headache to keep in the inventory at the showroom itself. Anyway, the store supervisor was really considerate, and he has shown me the chain mail which he sent to the verticals at Royal Enfield inventory management system, and according to them it will take another 5 to 6 more days for the procurement of the tank. So I guess we have to wait. There is no other way, since it was obvious that it's going to take more days, say approximately 6, 7, or to be not really that helpful, at least 10 more days. I decided to take a look at my bike, which was still parked at the rooftop, and see if some other notorious guys has not done anything wrong with the bike. I was really happy this time, as the showroom owner has really paid attention to what I complained him about last time, and the people, or for that matter the staffs over here, were also taking good care of the bike since then. So when I reached over the rooftop, I found the bike was still covered in the seat, or for that matter the cover. However, I was being suggested by some of them to keep it at the lower floor, as there was security camera over there, and also since it's going to be standing over here for another 6 to 7 more days, or maybe more, it may be suffering the wrath of sun, and the UV radiation may be, it's not really very good for the plastic components. So we decided to take it to the ground floor and park it over there for the time being.
All the same, what is next? I'm to blame for my head.
And let me tell you guys, the lift was pretty fun to ride upon. Although a little scary, it's a great convenience. If you ride upon it, you will really be enjoying it. It's kind of an open lift, and you can take a view of your surrounding. Nevertheless, the focus of the day is upon the update. Anyway, the update is complete by now, and the thing is, like, I was really happy with the way they were handling my bike. And one thing was putting me off, and that was obviously the procurement, but there was no foul play from showroom side. It was kind of the management problem at not management, I guess the part procurement problem at Royal Enfield. And even I guess they were not at fault, as there was Diwali holidays, and obviously there was a strike at the plant at Chennai, I suppose. The showroom owner has assured that in case if it doesn't really arrive by, say, next 3 to 5 days, he will be procuring it through the VOR route, what it is basically, what I understood about it is like it's certain emergency route through which they procure the parts which are really required at an urgent basis, and for that I guess they have to pay a little more. I don't know, I don't really know the entire procedure, but that was what he was talking about. And the thing is, like, for that he will have to cancel this record, and only then they can go ahead with that. So that's the progress till now, and that's our beautiful bike. Let's start it once. Anyway, you guys won't really be able to listen the things because somehow the audio of this entire video was muted, and that's the reason that I'm doing voiceover, and it has taken me approximately extra 2 hours to edit the video apart from doing the voiceover. So please bear with that. So we started the bike, we checked if the battery is not really drained also. I finally put the cover again and then had a word with the staff members so that it could not really be mishandled over here, because in case if you are keeping it in the Bay Area or the area where regular repairs are being carried out, there are pretty good chances that somehow or the some way there may be some sort of mishandling, or for that matter some accidental damage that may happen to the bike. प्रेम भाई, इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना, ये जो है ना पीछे का माउंट, सुनो ना प्रेम भाई, ये जो माउंट है ना, ये प्लास्टिक का है ना, वो जनता आके ऐसे ऐसे करेगी ना, धीरे धीरे स्क्रैच आ जाएगा. मिलते हैं फिर, वो देखना अगर चेंज करके जल्दी हो जाए तो. Okay, so that was it. This time it was, अरे रवि, सॉरी, वो गाड़ी कहाँ अंदर ही रखेगी या फिर वहीं पे रखी रहेगी? वहाँ पे तो शायद सर्विस एरिया है ना, तो दिक्कत, वहाँ सर्विस एरिया है तो पता नहीं, कुछ काम करते वक्त दिक्कत नहीं हो जाए. Okay, so that ended on a very happy note today. Albeit it's going to be a little late, but nevertheless it's going to be in a better way, I guess, because this time they have really taken good care of it. Okay, so let me be very honest, I was happy this time. So stay tuned for more updates. Till the next time, build it, ride it.
Take a breath, need to get all of these deep thoughts.